Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on bills with Comcast, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your current Comcast bill. Log into your Comcast account online. Check for any promotional offers available in your area. Analyze your usage of services like internet, TV, and phone. Consider downgrading your current plan based on your needs. Explore bundling options to save on multiple services. Contact customer service to inquire about better deals. Ask about loyalty discounts if you've been a long-time customer. Review your bill for errors. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Utilize energy-efficient practices to lower additional utility bills. Reduce streaming services to the essentials. Monitor your data usage to avoid overage charges. Look into rewards programs offered by Comcast. Consider negotiating your contract terms for a lower rate. Stay informed on new promotions or changes in pricing. By following these steps, you can effectively save on your Comcast bills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.